Top 7 Best Fish Diabetics Should Eat. Were you aware that eating fish at least once every week might reduce your risk of heart disease by an impressive 40%? If you have diabetes, this simple habit could be a game changer for your wellness journey. In today's video, we're going to dive into the top 7 fish that people with diabetes can benefit from the most. These options are loaded with good-for-you fatty acids, lean proteins, and crucial nutrients that can positively affect your overall health. Whether you aim to boost your insulin sensitivity or bring down your cholesterol levels, these 7 fish should take center stage in your weekly menu. Let's identify which specific types can support you in living a healthier, longer life, all while helping you maintain better diabetes control. Number 7. Salmon. Salmon is a nutritional powerhouse widely recognized for its abundance of omega-3 fatty acids. These beneficial fats are praised for their heart-friendly properties and their ability to tame inflammation within the bloodstream, which is highly relevant if you're living with diabetes. Lower inflammation means your body may handle blood sugar more effectively and respond better to insulin, making salmon a standout choice for people managing diabetes. The advantages of salmon don't end there. Omega-3s are tied to a slew of other health benefits, ranging from sharper brain function to improved eye health. Given that cardiovascular complications are among the top concerns for anyone with diabetes, regularly incorporating salmon in your diet can potentially reduce those cardiovascular risks by helping balance both cholesterol and blood pressure. In addition, salmon's healthy fats avoid triggering unwanted blood sugar spikes and can even play a role in supporting insulin sensitivity. Cooking salmon is a breeze, no matter your style. Whether you decide to poach, bake, or broil, salmon's versatile texture and flavor make it a great companion to salads, wraps, or sides of fiber-rich vegetables. It also pairs well with quinoa or brown rice for those wanting extra fiber without large glucose spikes. Number 6. Herring. Herring is a fish that often flies under the radar but is packed with valuable nutrients, particularly for people managing diabetes. One striking benefit is its naturally high vitamin D content, a key nutrient frequently connected to strong bones. Modern research suggests vitamin D also supports better diabetes management and may even help ward off chronic illnesses. Because many individuals with diabetes are low on vitamin D, herring presents a simple, tasty solution to that deficiency. Herring stands out thanks to its substantial levels of EPA and DHA, two forms of omega-3 fatty acids shown to strengthen heart health. Keeping your cardiovascular system in top shape is vital if you have diabetes, since the risk of heart issues is generally higher. Herring can also slot easily into your meal plan. Pickled herring is popular, though those watching their salt intake can opt for fresh or smoked versions. Grilling or baking it to pair with whole grain sides or colorful vegetables makes for a balanced, diabetes-friendly plate. Another delicious option is incorporating herring into heartwarming stews or chowders, where its savory taste really shines. For a quick midday meal, mix chunks of herring into a salad with leafy greens and drizzle a light vinegar-based dressing on top. This is a fantastic way to get protein and omega-3s without large sugar surges. Number 5. Tilapia. Now let's talk about tilapia, a fish prized for its low-fat content and high protein, making it an excellent selection for anyone watching their blood sugar. An added perk is that tilapia contains no carbs, so it won't cause a sharp jump in glucose levels. On top of that, it provides a dose of fiber, which helps combat arterial hypertension, a condition frequently linked to diabetes. Tilapia's robust nutrient profile features vitamins E and C, both potent antioxidants that fight inflammation and cellular damage. Because inflammation can disrupt insulin's effectiveness in the body, these nutrients are particularly beneficial if you're looking to keep diabetes complications in check. Another bonus is tilapia's selenium content. Selenium helps balance glucose levels in the bloodstream, acting as another ally for stable blood sugar. Given how easy tilapia is to find, fresh or frozen, and how flexible it is to cook, you can work it into countless meals. Bake, grill, or lightly pan-fry, then pair it with non-starchy vegetables or salad. Variety is still essential, so remember to add other fish, like salmon, with higher omega-3 levels into your routine for maximum heart benefits. If you've been enjoying these tips, don't forget to subscribe for even more content on how to manage diabetes with everyday foods. Number 4. Sardines. Moving on, let's highlight sardines, an economical fish that can be a secret weapon for people with diabetes. Similar to salmon, sardines are filled with omega-3 fatty acids that calm inflammation, promote cardiovascular well-being, and potentially sharpen insulin responsiveness. Plus, sardines are rich in protein, helping sustain your energy and support your muscles. Another point worth noting is that sardines often have lower mercury levels compared to bigger fish. Mercury is a concern for many fish lovers, but because sardines sit lower on the food chain, they're generally safer for frequent eating. These little fish are also brimming with calcium and vitamin D, two nutrients tied to bone strength, especially relevant as diabetes can raise the risk of bone-related issues. Sardines are incredibly adaptable. You can enjoy them straight from the can, or buy them fresh if you prefer grilling for a smoky tang. Toss sardines into soups, use them in pasta dishes, or place them on top of a slice of whole-grain toast with a squeeze of lemon. Canned sardines occasionally come with extra salt, so read labels carefully if sodium intake is a concern. Number 3. Mackerel, Pacific or Atlantic. Let's now talk about mackerel, a fattier fish that boasts countless advantages for those living with diabetes. Whether you pick the Pacific or Atlantic variety, both are brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients that play a vital role in maintaining a healthy heart and managing blood sugar. For instance, a 6-ounce portion of Pacific mackerel offers about 3.2 grams of omega-3s, enough to help diminish bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while boosting good HDL cholesterol. This combination is especially potent in lowering the possibility of heart complications, which are a frequent concern for people with diabetes. Beyond the omega-3 content, mackerel also supplies protein, iron, riboflavin, vitamin B12, selenium, and niacin. Protein helps stabilize sugar levels by slowing glucose absorption, and the vitamins and minerals contribute to energy production and proper cell function. Selenium, in particular, is beneficial in balancing blood sugar, making mackerel a smart pick if you're monitoring your glucose closely. Pacific mackerel is often sold in cans, which is very convenient for quick meals, though it may occasionally come fresh. Atlantic mackerel, meanwhile, is commonly found in its fresh form and typically carries a low mercury load, so it's safe to enjoy fairly often. On the other hand, steer clear of king mackerel, which is high in mercury that may interfere with blood sugar management. When cooking, feel free to grill, bake, or toss mackerel into a salad or pasta dish. It pairs wonderfully with vegetables like spinach or kale for a balanced, diabetes-friendly meal. Number 2, cod. Another terrific fish choice is cod, a mild white fish with a firm texture that makes it ideal for a variety of cooking methods, such as grilling, baking, or pan-searing. Cod stands out for its low calorie count and high protein content, making it a great option for stabilizing blood sugar and keeping you feeling satisfied. A notable strength of cod is how it promotes heart health. Although it's not as high in fat as some species, it still contains beneficial omega-3 fatty acids that can reduce your risk of cardiovascular problems. For individuals with diabetes, these healthy fats help thin the blood and lower overall inflammation, protecting arteries from blockages that could lead to heart attacks or strokes. Cod also features vitamins B12 and B6, both essential for lowering homocysteine, a compound that harms blood vessels and heightens the danger of heart attack or stroke. Because diabetes already increases cardiovascular risks, keeping homocysteine in check is a top priority. Additionally, cod's protein content can help regulate sugar levels by moderating the release of glucose in the bloodstream. Number 1. Tuna. Finally, let's spotlight tuna, a fish that's both low in calories and full of essential nutrients, making it another standout for diabetics. Tuna contains ample protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D, all working together to assist with blood sugar management. Since it includes almost no carbohydrates or high levels of saturated fat, tuna remains a reliable option for keeping your blood sugar stable and lowering the chance of heart disease. Like other fatty fish, tuna has plenty of omega-3s, which decrease inflammation and support healthier cholesterol levels, a major benefit for those dealing with high LDL. Plus, the minimal carb content prevents any surprising spikes in blood glucose. Tuna is very flexible in the kitchen. Try it in salads, wraps, or as a main dish with roasted vegetables on the side. If you enjoy tuna sandwiches, be sure to pick whole grain bread to avoid refined carbs, and consider swapping typical mayonnaise with non-fat mayo or even cottage cheese for extra protein and less fat. So, those are the 7 prime fish that can be a big help in maintaining your health and managing diabetes. From salmon bursting with omega-3s to tuna that's lean and convenient. Each fish brings its own unique set of nutrients, like anti-inflammatory fats, vitamins, and minerals, to reduce cholesterol, promote better heart health, and keep your blood sugar in a more stable range. Whether you prefer baking, grilling, or tossing them into a fresh salad, these fish options not only taste great, but also align well with diabetes-friendly lifestyle goals. Remember, diversity is key. Don't limit yourself to just one type of fish. Mixing up these choices ensures you obtain a broad spectrum of benefits while keeping your meals interesting and enjoyable. And here is a bonus tip for you. Check out the link in the description to watch a short free presentation about a natural way that can help lower your blood sugar. Now we'd love to hear your thoughts. Which fish is your personal favorite? Do you have any unique recipes you rely on when making fish? Please share in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and want more tips on living a healthier life with diabetes, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you won't miss our latest content. Also, check the description for links to more videos that can guide you in your diabetes journey.